I'd seen the Unknown Industries Harley wheelie videos a handful of times, and when I first saw that in person, I was just mesmerized, completely blown away. Obviously, being a Baggers magazine editor, the first thing I thought was, when are they going to add a bagger to the mix? When are they going to add a bagger to the lineup? So when I ran into Buddy, he told me that they were putting a bagger in their wheelie lineup. So we partnered with Unknown Industries and San Diego Harley-Davidson to help make the ultimate bagger wheelie machine. So, Buddy, obviously you didn't learn how to wheelie in a short period of time. I mean, just watching you ride, the skill set you have, it obviously takes a lot of practice.
I started out super young and grew up around Harleys, so always wanted Harleys, and rode a street bike for a little bit, and then once I could afford a Harley, finally got a Harley, and was like, I'm never going to be able to wheelie this thing. It's too heavy, too slow, but worked on it a bunch and got to where I'm at today, and so hopefully I'll be doing this for the rest of my life.